Hello everyone, welcome to Study Automation. I am Chandan Kumar. So in this tutorial we will see how we can install Visual Studio Code IDE in our system. So let's go to the internet and write Visual Studio Code download. After that we have to go into the visualstudio.com. From here, based on the system type, let's say for Windows you can download from here, for Ubuntu and Linux you can download, and then for Mac you can download from here. So you can see we have zip version, installer version, right? As per your need you can download that. So let's say I am going to download zip version so that I don't need to install in my system. So Visual Studio Code is downloaded. Let's go to the folder, extract it, and now once you will go inside this folder you will see here a lot of files. So just double click on code. So now you can see Visual Studio Code is installed and available in your system. Now we can create a new file and then we can start working on this. Here in this Visual Studio we have file menus from where we can create a new file, new folders and all. We have edit, selection, view. So from view basically we can open terminal, and in this terminal you will see we can write code also. So if I'll check whether Node.js is installed or not, so we can click, we can write node v, you will see the same output that we have seen in the last tutorial, and then npm. These things should be working. Along with that we can see here folder structure, where right now we don't have any folder, so we can select any folder or we can create any folder from here and then we can start working on that.